Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have this is an AUTLEY, and it is a ergonomic mouse. So we're gonna give this thing a try. Let's see how it works. It's actually gonna be for use for somebody else. So I'm just gonna take it apart here, show you guys the thing, and then I'll put it back in there. It's a little baggy, but this is the mouse here. So check this out. It's like a whole thing. It's super device in there. We have a USB-C to USB converter, and then we have a USB to USB-C device. I'm guessing that's going to be to charge it, so we can charge it right there. It should be wireless and stuff. Yeah, I can see it. There's the little flashing light right now. So I can connect it. It says 2.4 gigahertz rechargeable mouse. So it has, I don't know, why does it have 3 stops? One, maybe, I don't know. But then we have inside this little section here, we have our little USB contraption that'll make it connect up. So we can plug this in. Let me unplug something here. Oh, not that. That's my monitor. Okay, let's unplug this one here. We'll plug this in here. Now I have to get my video back, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have the mouse here and I plugged in the little contraption under there. Let me just close this up. I guess I do it the other way. Here we go. It's flashing, so I'm gonna guess it's connected. Okay, so now here we are. And we're up, and I see my little mouse is moving. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's moving here. It's got a nice movement to it. I got all these buttons on here. I'm not used to so many buttons on a Mac. but it does seem to work and does what we say here. So I'm guessing we have our different buttons and things are there. But you can see it's got all the buttons there. I guess it's got 3 buttons. And then it's got the little scroll wheel. So it's got all these different things that it needs. This is gonna be for a video wall. So they'll be using it to, video monitoring system. So it'll be good. So they'll be able to do it. And the mouse seems to work really well. And it connected up all by itself. I mean, I didn't do anything. All I did was plug in this little device, and then it saw it. So I didn't even do anything. So I guess the Mac just recognizes it. Magic. So super cool, super easy. Let's see what else it comes with here. It comes with these little pads here. I'm gonna guess that I could sticker these on here as well to make it somewhat more, I could sticker it on here to make it somewhat more grippy if I wanted to. I'm not sure I would even do that. I kind of like the way it is like this. But it has that ability. It has a little manual on how it works. I'll show you guys that. If you need it, you can zoom in on it and stuff. But it basically explains all the different pieces and parts and stuff. But I'm gonna say really just charge it up there, plug it in, and you're good to go. So it's like super easiest mouse ever. And it's AUTLEY, and it seemed to work really good. It seemed pretty precise. I mean, I could probably go in my settings and fine tune it and stuff. But I was moving, and it was just moving a little bit. Not doing anything now because I unplugged the little piece. But you get the idea. Very nice. Thumbs up.